President Yoweri Museveni yokwayar kon kato chiek man malotion moko chik met ki med pension go a ki percent piera dek o we piera ngwen eno wani mono gankal milim o moko dong met ni percent piera dek ikari mo karangej iwarga mojo yo bot ot moko chik ndapau ya dek mejumia pai makaman atali bo penyo pingo ot moko chik po woro do gankal milim ma o medo wako limeno we percent piera ngwen Tam meketa laga i chulo pension pagin chon moko cheke kati kwere ninda bor jumia bungwen i mwaka libario ke piari wiario. Lok mekwero meto limane ma President Yoweri Museveni okoyani ok loyo kede chon moko chek mapol ikine Francis Mwijukwe mati MP me Buwejo County o wane mono man yoni President Yoweri Museveni pe par pagin jomo kene mabene pigitego ikit matera lubo pa Uganda ni.
So you can't say provide for the judiciary, provide for the executive, but you not provide for the members of parliament or this arm of government. It is the three arms of government, and once you're legislating, you must talk about fairness and equality. And so for me, I'm really perturbed that the president wants comfort. That I see, I am not comfortable. It's not about him. It's about the institutions of government, and they're independent, and he must respect them.
Calculate how much is 10% of increment on our pension. How much is it? It's around 160 billion. So this is when I say the president is not fair. And whether he likes it or he doesn't want, we are going to pass it. We are going to pass it. We are the people that appropriate. We are allowed to pass the bills even when he does not assent to them after a particular amount of time. And we are going to give the Ugandans reasons why we decided to increase pensions on our own.
Karibet kitano tie MPs mwa pego ye korne mior liman ki meda ko chwa ko loko President Yoweri Museveni man pe miyo kero melim pe dokping piano miyo achar madit melim bod gamente melobo Uganda. Ikine tie MP Wilfred Nwagaba me Ndorwa East.
This is a private members bill. And in the private members bill, you are supposed to abide by the provisions of Article 93 of the Constitution. You do not bring a bill, a motion that has an effect of having a charge on the consolidated fund. So that particular provision was uncalled for, and the president is right.
MP Mekilak South Gilbert Olanya o ene mor kinen kit me loko mati pieni choka tamba President Yoweri Museveni padoki bet ki game mo karla de ngwaro limadon karebon donke wako tich yot moko chek kimelobo Uganda.
Now that we added 10% on 30%, it means it will come to 40%. I really feel the president look at it that it may be too huge. It may put a lot of burden onto the government's coffer. That is why he decided that he cannot sign that.
Inge dugu chen paot moko chik mi Uganda idwe I chiario michabiet manyen. Geno wani kibidok na kanyamo lokman wakenen ket maketo ye wake ui mok marwate ki jodujum.
That the Prime Minister prioritized, there was a bill that was returned, the Parliamentary Pension Amendments Bill. We shall start with that one on Tuesday.
Man me Parliamentary Pensions Amendment Bill 2022 ni miyo kare me chulo kono joma ko bero chono don moko cheklo kongo gene chake maka leba chel miya ban ke piera boro weko nong chul percent piera dek and geno mir percent piera ngwen dokumen go mer kane unoko chonti mwa alebrika biro kudwa ko chien yo mer chake maka leba chel miya bongwen ke piera boro pilo don moko chek kilo kongo gen dunyo mako bero tie iyot moko chek melobo Uganda. Lok Angeya Ma Ocwiny Wan Luo Television.